Don't let your AC system get knocked out by the heat this upcoming summer. Call KS Services and let our team come take a look. We repair and install all makes and models. We even offer a free no-hassle quote and second opinion, so give us a call today. With our flexible financing, you can literally pick your payment. We may even be able to help you knock down that utility bill a bit.
KS Heating and Air, the team ensuring your comfort.
It's the Weather Xtreme video. This is the morning edition for Tuesday, May 29th. I'm James Spann. Soaking, swirling rains from Alberto will certainly headline the forecast today, but we'll trend drier later this week. But even then, we'll deal with scattered storms. First off, the upper air look early this morning. We like to start with a big picture across the North American continent. Got a big trough in the western states and ridging over the east. And of course, Alberto is the story down here. We'll roll the animation. The system came inland around Laguna Beach, Florida yesterday around 3:30 in the afternoon as a subtropical storm. It's been working slowly through parts of South Alabama overnight, producing heavy rain. We had some flash flood warnings for south central counties overnight. Roll the radar animation. You can see the system as of early this morning as I do this update is a little west of Clanton. And it's moving north-northwest, and we've got that fairly compact rain shield with this. The rain extends out about 80 miles. This is the flash flood watch, and the Weather Service added a few counties to the west overnight to include Tuscaloosa County, Fayette, and Marion, as it looks like the heavier rains will be slightly more to the west than expected yesterday. But still, much of central and East Alabama remains under a flood watch, much of North Georgia as well. In terms of the tornado potential, get a low-end threat of a few isolated small spin-up tornadoes over far east Alabama, northeast Alabama today and tonight. That's a marginal risk of severe storms. Again, that's kind of a low-end threat. The main issue, it's the rain. Here's the official track from the Hurricane Center, and they've got it moving tonight up into Tennessee. It'll be passing through northwest Alabama as a tropical depression, then hooking back up toward Michigan. This is the QPF, the rain expected. Now, this is for the next 7 days. Understand, this is not just today. This is out through Tuesday morning of next week. But a lot of it's going to be today. Got the bullseye up in northeast Alabama, 4.7 inches for Gadsden. But again, after today, we'll go back to the more scattered variety of storms. Let's look at modeling here. This is the GFS, the 06C run, 1 o'clock this afternoon. This is about 18,000 feet off the ground where the pressure is 500 millibars. Got the trough coming out of the western states, helping to lift Alberto northward. That's the synoptic scale look coming off the GFS. Let's kind of get higher resolution, go down to the 3-kilometer NAM. This is 11 o'clock this morning, and if this model is correct, and it probably will be, the circulation center should be south of Jasper, west of Birmingham. And again, the main effect's going to be along into the east of this, but with the rain we've noticed on the west side, it'll extend a little to the west as well. That's the reason the flash flood watch was extended over a row of counties. Now, this is 4 o'clock this afternoon, the circulation center coming up on Florence and the Shoals. And then it's going to scoot up into Tennessee after that. This is the QPF over 60 hours. And the NAM has got the heavier rains from the Shoals down to Birmingham and Clanton, suggesting some spots maybe going over 5 inches in through there. Birmingham, no doubt, is going to get a lot of rain from this morning. It's going to be a soaker for the metro. So needless to say, it's going to be very wet today. Still breezy, gradient winds, 20, 25, maybe gusting to 30. That's not enough to cause any tree or power line damage. And the rain will be settling down tonight as Alberto lifts northward. Now, this is tomorrow. We still got pretty deep moisture here left behind from Alberto, so scattered showers and storms, a mixture of clouds and sunshine. We go back in the 80s. We'll be in the 70s all day today. Thursday, we're certainly beginning to trend drier. We'll have the scattered afternoon and evening storms. The sky partly sunny. We'll be up there close to 90. Don't forget now, we're about to get into June here on Friday. This is the last day of May. This is Friday, June 1st. And it's going to feel like June. Partly sunny, hot, humid. A few spots could see an afternoon storm, but nothing like the widespread rain of today. And that's the deal for Saturday, and that's the deal for Sunday. Very classic early June weather. Partly sunny, hot, muggy, Scattered storms mainly during the afternoon and evening hours. And if you like the numbers game, the chance of any one spot getting wet over the weekend will be about 1 in 3. No change Monday, and this is a week from today. Tuesday, June 5th, will troughing to the east. And again, the same thing, maybe a few widely scattered showers, but nothing widespread. Well, there are 10 days. This is Thursday, June 7th. Got an upper high to the west, and again, that looks fairly routine. Partly sunny, maybe a few scattered storms. Here are the numbers coming off the GFS ensemble. You can see low 90s creeping in here this weekend. But then after that, highs mostly upper 80s and lows mostly in the 60s. That's it for the Weather Xtreme video this morning. We'll have notes in the blog. Next video here by 4 o'clock this afternoon. If you can't catch us this evening on ABC 3340 News at 4, 5, 6, and 10 o'clock. Thanks for watching. Have a great day and God bless.
Summer's just around the corner, and KS Services wants to be the team ensuring your comfort. We repair and install all makes and models, so give us a call today to get a free, no-hassle second opinion.
KS Heating and Air, the team ensuring your comfort.